Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use task scheduler to automate any work in your Windows 11 system. You can easily schedule a task in your Windows 11 system through task scheduler. For example, we will use this cleanup through task scheduler on your Windows 11 system. Go to Windows search and type task scheduler. Open it. Task scheduler page will now open. Here from the right side, click on create basic task. Here 4 options available: create a basic task, trigger, action and finish. Assign a name of your task scheduler. We will choose it disk cleanup, automated disk cleanup, and choose a description as per your choice, as per your requirement. You may simply keep same automatic disk cleanup, and go to second option or choose next. It will automatically move trigger. When do you want the task to start? Daily, weekly, monthly, one time, when the computer starts, when I log in, when a specific event is logged. So if you want to choose monthly basis for your disk cleanup, automatically choose a monthly or one time or weekly or daily. So choose as per your choice, and if you want to choose one time, then one time, otherwise monthly, weekly or daily. If you have chosen monthly, then choose a start time and choose start month. For which month this will start, choose a month. Days, from which date this will start, and click on next. Now go to action, start a program, send an email, display a message. Choose as per choice, start a program and click on next. And finally start a program a script. So here type cleanmgr.exe. Disk cleanup will be automated through this command, through clean manager, and click on next. Finally finish. You can overview all your entries and click on finish. You have successfully automated disk cleanup through task scheduler on your Windows 11 system. Click on finish. Thereafter go to task scheduler library. Here you can see your all task schedule you have created. So all are visible here through task library. Schedule item, you can see display all running task scheduler, and you can see your all running task scheduler. After task scheduler setting, you must refresh your page. And you have successfully created a